as form of safety natin, no, we'll be wearing,
Yes.
ang tawag dito? Safety first na.
Safety helmets.
Safety
Hard
hard
hat.
hat.
Ayan.
Hard hat. So, together with us, we invited one of the engineers dito sa Las Palmeras, no? Sir Luke, so welcome.
Engineer Luke.
Can we go a little bit closer para at least makita natin it's not just about the looks but
Yes.
As well as the quality. Ano ba yung mga ginamit na materials dito, 'di ba?
Yes.
So, saan dito?
Kasama din tayo ni Engineer Mandy.
Sir Mandy, yeah, is with us as well. So, tara, let's go. Ayan. So sir, our engineer, when it comes to the technical terms, so kami, we're licensed broker, di ba? So ano ba yung mga ginamit nyong materials dito na or technology kung bakit matibay or very premium yung quality natin?
So, ang tinatawag sa building system natin is glass wall.
Okay.
Glass wall.
Main concept ng glass wall, informed formworks, which uses two FISM boards na naka-in-place na plastic molded paper.
Oh.
So, in place siya, it means na hindi natatanggalin yung forma. Yun na yung finish niya. Plus, yung in terms ng quality and also yung structural integrity, masasabi natin matibay yung glass wall kasi filled siya na concrete. Yes, pure concrete as per structural requirements, which is 3,000 PSI and reinforced with rebars.
Oh. So, sobrang tibay ba niya, no, sir?
Yes.
Every layer of concrete, sinetesting namin. Pupunta kami na sa testing center para matest kung papasa yung concrete.
I see. So, making sure that the deliverables ng mga units are really, very premium and quality. Ayun, thank you so much for explaining and discussing the technology behind.
Advantage ng glass wall sa finishing, mabilis tayo.
Yes.
Mabilis tayo.
Sa mga advantage nun is by using glass wall, we can create straight to finish panels.
Agad pintura tayo, wala na tayong plastery, wala na agad pintura.
Okay.